By the way, happy Makar Sankranti, happy Pongal. I don't know what else. So whatever it is, happy. Just be happy. Everyone, you know, out there. Okay. Got up in the morning, as usual, did my all household work, झाड़ू मार दिया, पोछा मार दिया, and then I decided the clothes क्या पहनना है because I actually knew कि क्या पहनना, मम्मी ने already instruction दे दिया था, and yeah, did my puja and got ready because I just felt like being pretty today. You know, why not just be happy and just dress up for yourself? So it was my day. I wanted to be pretty. I wanted to feel pretty. So here I go. I did everything which I never usually do, and I was just so happy about it. And then yeah, I had the ritual. That's dahi or chuda, and yeah, and I had that, and then I went to the temple because why not? Blessing is very very important. So yeah, did that. Done with the temple. Nashta bhi kar liya. I came to see my patient. I have again 3 visits for today, so time पे है. Now I'm going to finish one and then I'll go home and then cook curry because नहीं किया, and after that again for 2 patients and then clinic duty. Outfit दिखा देती हूँ. This is what I'm wearing. This is gifted by my mom and mama wanted me to wear something new, तो ये new है आज के लिए. I hope I'm looking pretty. If I am, comment में बता दो, okay? Bye. I was done with the first patient, came back home. Done with the first patient, heading home. Let's cook some curry and go back. Got back home, felt so pretty after a long time, and I also got that midnight trainee kajal which I wanted from so long. And then yeah, I made aloo dum ki sabzi because that's what we have, and I'm showing you to the time, बहुत कम time था, but बना लिया, खा लिया, I was happy. And then again, patient. Reached second patient, and then third, and then clinic. Done with the third patient. Let's go to clinic right now. Completed all the visit for today, and yeah, just came back to the clinic. Felt just so happy about it. Treated the patient clinic में, और my patient gave a lot of things, you know, to eat. I'm just so excited. Such a sweet patient I have, and a lot of work has been done by me. A lot of tension, a lot of pressure, a lot of things happening in life, but yeah, figuring out it. And this was the first festival of the year, so wishing you all a happy festival and a happy year ahead. And another patient gifted me this, a lot of things inside, so yeah, I'm just so happy, blessed, touch wood, thu. Yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye, take care. I hope you like it. Bye.